had good experiences with different banking sectors and different banks. I have had pleasant experience with Scotia because Scotia Bank was one of the first banks that respected me as an individual to offer me a credit line exceeding $1 million. So yes, Scotia, I have to put my hats off to you for doing that. But it's just that the fees sometimes can eat up the money and it does not balance out with inflation. So in some instances, you're losing money while in other instances you're put at in a disadvantaged state. So these banks exist, and if you like any bank for a particular reason, then you go to that bank. And Jamaica is so designed that all the banks are basically interconnected. So if you have information in one bank, that bank shares that information with the other banks. So everything is basically interconnected. And I would suggest that you have multiple bank accounts because sometimes your banks may respond to you unfavorably, or your banks may do things which are conflicting, and you